Hi, this is Chef Una. I'm back in the kitchen making my Thai salsa at Red 6. We always get the question, what is in this sauce? Well, it's less than 10 ingredients, technically 9, including the champagne. So the first secret is blistering the tomatoes. And so I have a cast iron skillet. We do it on our beach tongue grill there. You probably don't have one at home, so the alternative is to use a cast iron skillet. I have got this screeching hot. You want to blister the outside of these Roma tomatoes. See how hot this is? Like I can barely put my finger over this for more than like 2 seconds. That's how you know it's hot. I'm not doing anything with it. Whole tomatoes going in there. Probably about 1.5 pounds of tomatoes. So I'm gonna let this sit. This is gonna take about 20-25 minutes to get this done. You want it to get all black on the outside. That's where the flavor is going to come from. And then we're just gonna blend all of the ingredients together. It's so super easy. So while these are blistering up, let's go ahead and get the other vegetables ready. I've got some limes here, and actually I like to roll them to get the juices out just a little bit. So we're gonna do 1 part lime juice to 1 part fish sauce. You want that balance that's in there. So I'll do 1/2 cup of lime juice. I love the 3 Crab fish sauce brand. You can use any other ones, but this is my preference. So 1/2 cup of fish sauce. It's the perfect umami flavor. And then I put a little sugar in it. Just because the sugar adds a little bounce. This is probably like 1/2 teaspoon, just a pinch of sugar. That is done. This is about 2 cups of cilantro. I'm gonna cut it in half. I use the stems, everything in this, because it's all gonna get folded in anyway. Just a rough chop, slice. So now I've got about 12 cloves of garlic. We're gonna use about 3 inches of ginger. I'm just gonna roughly chop it, but we're gonna pulse it in the food processor. I like mine kind of spicy, so I've got Thai chilies, Thai bird chilies, put about 5 in there. So then I'm gonna pulse this, and so it's just a rough pulse. Yes. Here you go, guys. You'll see that it's just roughly chopped. That's what you want in there. And we're just gonna wait for the tomatoes. So you see how you guys see all those charred bits? That's what you want in there. That's like the flavor. That's the essence of love. You guys can also do this on the grill as well. You have the skin on. That's what you want, the little bits. You want all of these, the skin in there. Close this up, pulse it. Throw in the fish sauce lime juice mixture that we did earlier. Look at that. That's it. That's a perfect balance of the roasted tomatoes, the fish sauce, and lime juice. It's just perfect, the perfect acidity. You got a little bit of sugar in there, but also the tomatoes. So robust. Typically, I wouldn't put this cilantro into the berry until we're getting ready to serve it or after it cools down. But I'm gonna go ahead and put it in here, and that's what adds that brightness, the freshness in there. This is done. Ta-da! It's one of those recipes I hold close to my chest sometimes. I'm sharing with you because sharing is caring. So you guys have the recipe now. You can make this or come to Red 6 in Legacy Hall and get a bowl and slather it with Thai salsa. But we are planning on selling it as well at the Red 6 location in SMU coming this spring of 2019. Cheers!